Scenario: a student placed a block on a horizontal surface that pressed up against a spring that is attached to the side of a wall. The block is pressed up against the spring to compress it and then let go. The student records the acceleration of the block and the force of the spring on the block. The question: using what the student collected, what type of mass can the student determine? The answer: it would be the inertial mass. Force of the spring is equal to the mass times acceleration. The acceleration that the object feels here is going to be multiplied by the inertial mass, giving you the force. The following up scenario: the student now places the block on top of a table and drops it. The student records the acceleration of the block and the force of gravity on the block. The question: using what the student collected, what type of mass can the student determine? The answer: this time it would be the gravitational mass. Fg is equal to mass times the g, because the acceleration is in the vertical direction. Although the student calculated the inertial mass in the first scenario and the gravitational mass in the second scenario, the inertial mass is experimentally verified to also be the gravitational mass. They're the same thing.